Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too.
Hello gardening spirit boosters, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Janita coming back with another gardening video. I just want to share with you some of my new plants. My daughter got me these. Don't ask me the name. This is the first one right here. It's beautiful. I don't know what it is. If you guys know the name of this plant, say so in the comment section. The other one, I think this is, isn't this the prayer plant? Maybe not. Or it's in the family of the prayer plant. It's beautiful. Nice and glossy and shiny. If you guys know the name of this one, please say so in the comment section. Also, this plant here is beautiful. Nice and glossy and shiny, healthy for now. Hopefully I don't kill it. Hopefully one day, Miss Janita can manage to grow full, lush plants. That's my goal in the gardening community, is learning to grow full, lush plants. Outside plants, indoor plants, and wherever else you can put plants. I just want to be able to have them get full, lush, vibrant, flourishing, just look amazing. Awesome. Miss Janita, awesome plants. I love all of them. And thank you guys for coming back and watching my video. Thank you for supporting me about that issue with the glitch on YouTube, about my comments being removed when I go to your channel to leave a compliment. After I leave your channel and come back to check, my comment was removed, erased by the YouTube glitch. Hopefully it's being corrected and fixed. And I want to thank all of you who participated in helping Miss Janita out by contacting YouTube and letting them know that my channel was not working properly. I also contacted them, and I was surprised when they told me that they never heard of a YouTube glitch. This is Google. Does Google own YouTube? And why do they have employees that don't even know what a glitch is when something is corrupt, not working right? Then they told me that they can't do nothing about it because I was on other channels and not my channel. So that didn't even sound right. So I don't know, you guys. We're just out here, I guess, on our own. And if it works, it works. Thank you once again for coming back to my gardening channel. I love the gardening community. Be blessed. And keep making your videos and keep inviting me to watch them. Bye for now. Anybody that haven't been to your channel yet, please come through. Or be patient with me while I try to make the rounds. Because over 100 subscribers, that's a lot of people to get to. So be patient as I try to make my rounds to everybody's channel. Love the gardening community.
Thanks for your time and support.